In this video, we're going to be making Chicken Jalfrezi, which is a bit of an Indian version, but this is so flavorful and delicious and one of my family's favorite dishes. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to marinate the chicken, so let's get started. First, you're going to take your chicken that is cut up into 2 to 3 inch pieces and add in the vinegar, the red chili powder, the crushed ginger and garlic, and salt. I used about 1 teaspoon of salt here. And then you're going to mix this up using clean hands until the chicken is nicely coated. And then you're going to cover this and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, these are all the ingredients you'll need for your Chicken Jalfrezi curry. Now in a pan, add in the oil and heat it on medium flame. Once it is hot, you can add in the cumin seeds and let them splutter for about 2 minutes. And then add in the red chilies and cook them for about a minute. Then add in the onions. Just give them a stir. And add in some salt. I again used about a spoonful of salt. And then you're going to cover and cook the onions on low flame until they're translucent. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Once that is done, add in your crushed ginger and garlic. Mix it in. And also add in the capsicums. You can also add them in the end if you like your capsicums crunchy, but we love them a bit soft. Again, you're going to cover and cook this on low flame until the capsicum is cooked. This should again take about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add in the chicken. And mix the chicken in. Now add in the tomato puree, the tomato ketchup, red chili powder, and mix everything in until the chicken is nicely coated. And then cover this and let it cook on low flame. You can see after 10 minutes that the chicken has nicely left some liquid and it's going to cook and make a nice curry. I'm just stirring this up and again covering it. Now after another 10 minutes, you're going to again stir it and add in the chopped ginger. Also add in the vinegar and give it a stir. Again, cook this for another 10 minutes and your chicken should be cooked by then. You can test to see if your chicken is cooked by just pressing it with a spoon. So in total, the chicken needs about 30 minutes to cook. You can taste the curry and add in more salt if needed. Mix it in. And then lastly, add in your coriander. And mix it in as well. And then you can turn off the flame and enjoy your Chicken Jalfrezi. This goes so well with rice and roti or even bread, and it tastes absolutely exquisite. I hope you give this a try and let me know how it turns out. I'll see you soon. Bye.